What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the life. Low-key kind of tired. Just pulled a 16-hour shift, a double shift. I think, not 16, maybe 15, but it was a shift from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. to 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. I'm tired as hell, but it is right now. It's 7:05, and we're gonna get ready to trade the markets at 9:30. Today is Tuesday, the second day of the trading week. I did not trade on Monday because Monday was a no-news Monday. I didn't even get up to even look at it. But today is Tuesday. All right, so let's get right into business with the funded. So the funded, I'm gonna announce how to enter at the end of the video because I want to focus on trading right now. It will be announced at the end of this video. I'll tell you guys the rules, how to get in, all that good stuff. Anyway, we are gonna trade NQ today, NQ. Anyway, enough of the app, and let's get right into the markets. All right, so it is 11:34 right now. Honestly, I did not record anything on the trading session. I did fall asleep, but I will mark out and I will explain everything on this trading session, how it would have went and how I would have traded it. So we're in the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So we're gonna mark out our highs and lows. So this is a high, this is a high, and on the 1 hour, this is also a high. Now, we move down to the 5 minute, right? We move down to the 5 minute. We check out news, right? So we have consumer confidence at 10 a.m. So we are gonna wait till 10 a.m. So none of this price action before 10 a.m. matters to me at all, okay? I did end up adding this low. Whoa, give me a second. This low right here, this is a low. But yeah, so none of the price action that happened before 10 matters to me. So 9:30 to 10 p.m. I do not care about. So we have a fair value gap here. Whoa, what's happening? We have a fair value gap here. We got a BPR in it as well. We also have this fair value gap as well right here. So let's say we took, honestly it looks like to me there was going to be no trades taken off this trading day because it was so choppy and so like just up and down movements, some consolidation. So but if I would have went off a trade, it would have been off this fair value gap because we did get the 5 minute retrace up here, and then now we have reactions out of it, but it would have been off this fair value gap. Honestly, it probably would have not been from that fair value gap because the risk reward is so low, really low, that this would have been a really bad trade. Look, a negative risk reward, so it probably wouldn't have been that at all. I probably wouldn't have traded at all. It's just hard to tell since all this consolidation. It was better. It would have been better if I was there at 9:30. And I'm sorry I fell asleep, guys. I'm tired. I pulled the double like I said earlier, but it's not gonna stop us from doing what we gotta do today. I'm still gonna push out this vlog, and I'm still gonna remain focused and stay active. Anyway, but yeah, like I said, I would not have traded through this consolidation. It looks crazy. It looks choppy. And on this move down, we did end up taking the only 4 hour low that was there. So I wouldn't even want to take a trade back up to the fair value gap to target that low because it already got taken out. All right, so we ended up taking no trades. I ended up sleeping through the trading session. I know, I'm sorry, but I'm just tired, really tired. Anyway, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna catch up on some sleep because I do have to go back to work at 10 p.m. I have to do an overnight shift again at 10 p.m. all the way to 7 a.m. So I'm gonna catch up on some sleep right now, and I'm gonna go pick up the vlog in maybe 2 to 3 hours. And don't forget, we still gotta go to the gym. I gotta go see my dad. I haven't seen him in like 2 months, so I have to go see him. But yeah, I'm just gonna catch up on some sleep. I need some sleep for the night tonight, and I'm gonna pick up the vlog in a couple hours. All right, we back on the road. We're gonna head to see my dad right now. But hopefully we can get there before 10. It's only 5 right now, so we got 5 hours. Obviously we're gonna get there before 10, but it's mad traffic right now. But we're gonna pick up some chicken Alfredo and penne alla vodka. I'm gonna pick up 2 pastas. That's gonna be my lunch for tonight, 10 to 7. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get there. So we pulled up, got the pasta chicken Alfredo, and we got a Painted vodka up in there. But yeah, I'm about to fuck this up. I'm not everything. I'm about to eat half of it so I can save it for lunch later. But before we go, it is 6:19 right now. I'll show you guys 6:19. I don't know if you can see that, but it is 6:19 right now. So I'm gonna hit the gym before I go to work, and then start editing this video before I go to work, because I gotta get it posted. I gotta get it not posted. I gotta get it scheduled and edited and everything before 10, because I can't do that 7 a.m. I'm gonna be sleeping when I come back, and then get up to trade again to record the next day's video. I'll pick it back up at the gym. Alright, so just finished up a little workout, nothing too crazy because I don't want to burn myself out before I go to work. So now for the part that everybody's been waiting for, the funded giveaway. Alright, so this is how you enter. All you gotta do, subscribe, like, and comment. You have to comment funded. Comment only funded. Nothing else, nothing less, just comment funded. So subscribe, like, and comment funded, and you'll be entered in the giveaway, and the winner will be announced in the next 4 days, 4 or 5 days. I'll give it 4 days. So 4 days, the winner will be announced. Also, whoever does end up winning the funded will get to choose their size between 5,000 to 25,000. So 5,000, 10,000, 15. I don't know what size they got, but up to $5,000 dollar account to $25,000 account. Like I said last video, it's fair to me because you guys have been showing so much love, and I just want to show something back to you guys. And I'm such a small creator in the trading community, so I just want to start off small, nothing too crazy. Those are the rules. Subscribe, like, and comment funded. You have to comment funded to be entered in the giveaway. Anyway, this will be where the video is gonna end. It is really a really short video for me, but it's for good reason. I have to work overnight 10 to 7. I'll just pick up the camera back when I'm in the car at 7 a.m. So subscribe, like, and comment. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace.